Hello again. This is a Fortress 2-gallon air compressor that I purchased from Harbor Freight. I purchased this back in mid-January, and I am very impressed with this little air compressor. Now, I had a 3-gallon pancake one that I purchased probably 4 years ago, and the regulator died on it here last summer. So I picked up another regulator from Napa and cobbled it up, and it works, but it's just extremely noisy. But I'm keeping it because it's a little more portable than this Fortress. Now, the things I like about this Fortress is that it's extremely quiet, as you'll hear. And the recovery rate is unbelievable. See how fast that comes up? And you can hear me talking. It's that fast. It's unbelievable. Now, this pancake one, it's obnoxious. And the recovery rate on this isn't so great. The only downside to this Fortress, for me anyway, being an old man, is the weight. And it's just not convenient to haul around, at least for me anyway. So if I need to pump up a tire or something like that, I'll use the little pancake one. What I decided to do, because I like this thing so much, is I added a water separator on the side here and ran a line down to the other end of my shop. My shop is 32 feet long. And I ran the line down the back of my workbench. And I came up and I put a T right there. And I have a hose reel. And off the T, I came over to an 11-gallon tank. And everything is off air valves. You hear that little compressor on the other end kicked in. It just works well. And with a storage tank, I even have enough now to run my air tools. Comes right back up. Very pleased. So if you're out looking for a compressor, you may want to consider something like this. I see they're going to come out with even bigger ones. They have a 4-gallon, and I see they have a large upright one. Maybe something worth considering. Impressed. I hope it lasts longer than the little pancake one I had. That's it for now. Have a nice day.